In order to create more floor plans than you currently have in your project, go to any of the elevations that have already been set up for you, such as east elevation, for example. Here you can see you start with level 1 and level 2 that are 10 feet apart. In order to change their names, go to level 1, double click on its name. For instance, level 1 can be first floor. Press enter, and would you like to rename the corresponding views? Yes. And what that will do is that will change the floor plan names here in the project browser. Press yes, and now your first floor is going to be renamed everywhere. Ceiling plans, floor plans, and so on. Now you can also change the height of each level. For instance, the level 2 is currently at 10 feet. You can change it to be at whatever distance you like. Now you can type in, let's say, 16 feet dash 6 inches. And now you can change that, or you can manually drag it to a certain level. In order for you to create more levels, you can go ahead and go to the architectural tab, click on level. You can either draw it manually, but from one side to the other. Make sure that they align for easier visual reference. Another way and better way of doing this is actually clicking on level and clicking on pick lines, and make sure that whenever you have the pick lines selected, make plan view is selected as well, because what it does, it actually creates a floor plan that you can reference in your project browser. Let's offset it manually by 15 feet so that our other level is going to be 15 feet. Hover over one of the levels, make sure you hover over the one above the level 2, and you can see the dashed line appear above. Click once, and now you create another level that automatically appears on your left side. And you can repeat the same process multiple times. If you happen to have make plan view not selected as a check mark, what you will actually create is a level that is not going to show up in your browser on the left side. So for instance, right now I have it not selected, and I press to create a level, and you can see the difference between them is the levels that are showing up in the project browser are levels that are highlighted in blue versus those that are not highlighted.